the lofty height of Shuddha Advaita and the grounded reality of Agama. Listen. The biggest problem with incomplete mind is whenever it develops wings, it tries to destroy the root, go against the root. That is why sometimes you even believe if you go against the root, that is what is developing wings. Just say no to your parents, you have grown up. Many of the kids just to establish, hey, now I am a big boy. Let me say no to father, whatever he says. By the time you understand whatever your father says is right, you have a son who says whatever you say is wrong. By the time you have a father, by the time you understand whatever your father is saying is right, you have a son who says whatever you say is wrong. Please understand, many times you think the moment you have wings, you should forget roots. And if you have roots, it is against the wings. Incompletion exists in you as the fight between root and wings. Constantly you are trying to choose. Should I choose root or should I choose wings? Should I choose wings? Should I choose roots? Upanishad or Agama? Agama or Upanishad? In the modern day, whether traditional lifestyle or the so-called modern lifestyle, you think modern lifestyle is wings and traditional lifestyle is root? Understand, as long as the incompletion exists in you, as long as small way of thinking exists in you, I've seen the people who think in a small way are the most dangerous people. Understand, the moment they don't like you, they start hating you. They can't be just, okay, I don't have love, but that does not mean I have to hate. They do not settle down in that space. If they don't become lion straight, they become fox. Wolf, not even fox. Please understand, all confusion is only for small minds. Small minds which cannot look at the reality. I tell you one thing. From my own experience, if I have to give the essence of whatever I learnt from Arunagiri Yogeshwara, whatever I learnt from Arunagiri Yogeshwara, the essence is this: the more your mind raises, the more you will see everything in the form of solution. You will see everything is properly moving as it is supposed to be. The questions, doubt, everything will disappear. When your mind is becoming smaller and smaller, you will have more and more stupid questions. You will have more and more confusions and complications. Even if the solution is given, you will not be able to imbibe it, incorporate it, make it as part of you. You will continue to suffer with the same question like a rat. Understand? If you are finding the same solution for the same problem few hundred times in your life, you have small mind. That's the definition. If you are finding the more and more zigzag puzzles falling in place, the paradoxes, more and more paradoxes are falling in place. More and more the paradoxes settling in place. Then you are expanding, you are growing.